Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll just doing some more interesting things. Actually I'm just thinking that we should make a complete web page for now, a single web page, then you just can duplicate it and you just can make multiple ones. So I just want to guide you how we can just do that. So in using the header way, then we'll be just proceeding to the next things. I'm just making a simple, or at least just manage the header and the component in the way we should be. It should be so the component.html is the main area. I'm going there to the component one, and the very first thing I'm just doing here. First of all, I'm just not using the nest anymore. Okay. I'm directly using both of them, app header. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then the app content. Okay, I'm not using the nest anymore. So go to the browser and you can see that it's still the same, because we're just not using the nest, but we're directly getting the header and content inside them. Now in the header, if you just go there is just a nested content, not the nested content. Actually here I'm just typing something like, or I'm just making it page spelling clear, page header. Okay, here I'm just typing something like welcome to Angular, something like that, Angular 4. Save it, go to the browser, and you can see that welcome to Angular. And this is what I just wanted. Next thing we need to do, first of all, just manage this thing. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now next thing is we just do not need this thing, the header works or something, just delete that. Okay, this is actually a bluff text which is really not necessary for now, and any component.html we do not need these things like the the expression or any other thing. I'm deleting both of them. Okay, so now save it. Now go to the browser, and actually for now the header is actually on the top. So going there and refreshing, now you can see that there is a welcome to Angular 4. there is a content starts and the nested header and welcome to Angular 4. Actually we just nested the header inside the content. I'm going there and to the header dot, not the header but the content.component.css. here we just nested the header. We can do that, but I'm not gonna do that for now. So simply removing this line and just saving it, and absolutely this one too. Okay, this is a really simple thing we did, and we already knew this can be possible. But now let's just make it in a perfect order. I'm just going there and just making this a container. The class I'm adding as the container, and this container class is actually the bootstrap. Go there and you will be seeing something like, you can see that there is a break, there is a margin, which is actually what we just wanted. The next thing I just want to do is to just removing this text, removing this line, or if you just want, otherwise just leave that as it is. Now next step I'm just doing is I'm just designing the component.html a little bit. This is very simple things. This is the way how you can simply add the bootstrap in your page. And yeah, one more thing, there is no need of this line, so I'm just going back, and absolutely I have to remove. If I just go there to the component, to the content component, I'm just going to remove the hr, and I'll refresh that. Yeah, this is actually what I just wanted. Now the next step I'm just going to the header.component.html page, and this is the header area. We can do a lot of things. I'm just going there, and simply I just want to make the navigation here, if you just want it, or just leave it. The bootstrap, how bootstrap works, you can just set it. But I just want to clear some more things. Now we know how to add the bootstrap. Also, if you just want to work on the by default styles, here I've just made this, delete that one, this is really not important. This one was the important file, and this one was made by the CLI by default. So this styles.css file is the file where you just can put some by default text. If I just go there, and if I just that I've made the dot background, so this same thing, if I just used there as another class, background spelling clear, and save it. Now deep must be there, and go to the browser, you will be seeing that it became green. Okay, So you know that the styles.css is actually working. This file is actually working, but there are a little different thing. You can see that this is the HTML file of this component, the header component. This is the CSS file of this header component. If I just go to the CSS file of the header component, just notice what I'm just doing. I'm just going to the CSS file of the header component. Okay, so here I'm just putting a kind of background again. Just notice what I'm doing. Okay, background or something different. If I just type here header, just to make it more clear, and here I'm just putting background, and I'm just typing something like silver, whatever we just want. Spelling must be clear. Silver, okay, contra silk or silver, whatever color you just want to put, you can. Now I just have to put a period there, yeah, like that. Okay, save it. Now the next step I just want to do is to go to the header components HTML file, and there I'm just simply putting this header inside a div and just cut that off and paste this here. Okay, tab, and now there I'm just putting the class, and then sorry about that, and yeah, one more class, and the name was header background. You can see that there it's just mentioning, just look at that, the app header and header component CSS. Okay, I just want this one, save it. Now go to the browser. Yeah, you can see that it became in silver color, but if I just use same class to this component, absolutely it won't work. Hopefully you can get that here, but if you just want this one to be working here to this component.html, so there you have to add that file. Now one more interesting thing, this file, this content has no CSS file. Okay, if you just want this one to work, you have to add the style URLs, you know, add a comma in style URLs, this one, and then here you have to link that file up. Okay, but I'm just gonna make the CSS file for there too, a new file, and come on, right click, new, and file. Now I'm just gonna make a file for the content. So absolutely content spelling, we know the spelling, what we should put, component.css. This is really cool that everything is actually separated in this way. Now in there I'm just going there, and I'm just gonna put the file name as the content dot, spelling must be clear, dot component dot CSS. Okay, that's awesome. So okay, one more thing, that here, and another thing, if you just notice here, we have to put these styles inside these square brackets. Why inside the square brackets? If you just notice there is a style.urls, means there is an s, singular, not singular but plural. That means you can put some more, add a comma and put others. That's why there is a square bracket. Okay, so I'm just going there to this one, and here I'm just doing the same first, and in this way cover this up. There's a little more complication. If you just notice, just do this one, and now go to the browser, and yeah, all good. By mistake it just got opened. So the next step is actually, you know, that we've just connected this one, and if I just put some styles like that, the content background, I just want to teach you how it works. Okay, content background, and here, oh sorry, it won't work in this way. Yeah, that one, the background, blue, okay, blue wallet or catted blue. Okay, that's cool, the point. And then I'm just gonna go back to the content component.html file. I'm here, and now here again I'm just putting this inside a div in this way, and just cut that off and paste there. Okay, now the next step is to make them a little far, class, and then here I'm just putting the a kind of content background, and there is the thing we just wanted. Okay, that's awesome. So now go to the browser. You can see that it has a new color. That means we are actually working, we're making things perfect. So In the same way, we just can make the footer, we can make other stuff. I think you can just manage the HTML stuff. You just can make a complete web page using these tricks. So in the next lecture, we'll be just moving on, because I know that you just got the styling, how you can style the pages. So in the next lecture, we'll just doing some more things. Stay tuned. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.